Hello YouTube. Today I want to show you how to do a sandwich attack against pancakeswap. Some people call it sandwich attacks and some people call it the front running attack. I like to call it a sandwich attack because that's what it is. So the first step you're going to need is make sure you have the MetaMask extension installed. And make sure it's set to the BSC Smart Chain Network. And make sure you have some BNB in there. It doesn't take that much. 0.15 will be enough to execute the contract, fund it, and run it. And then you're going to be wanting to go to remix.ethereum.org, and it'll bring you to this page. If first load, it'll be the file explorer here. You're going to come over here and go create a new file. We're going to call this pancakeswap sandwich .sol. It has to end in .sol. The name is not as important as ending in .sol. Enter. And I'm going to paste in the code. I'm going to put the code in a link down below. I'm going to slowly scroll up the code to make sure that the link you go to matches the code that I'm about to run, to make sure no one copied my video and gave you some malicious code. So make sure you match it up. And then you're going to be going over to this little thing here, which is the compiler. The compiler version, our code is 0.50, so we're going to have to change the compiler version. And then we're going to hit compile. And if you get a little green check mark here, that means everything was compiled correctly. Then you're going to go down here to deploy and run transaction. You're going to change the environment to inject Web3. Then you're going to make sure for the contract, you want to change that to the sandwich attack pancakeswap. This is the file we just made right here, so we're going to click on that. And then we're going to go to deploy. And we're going to have to use some BNB to deploy it to the BNB network. And that has been confirmed. And when it's been confirmed, down here say deployed contracts. You can click down here on this little arrow thing here, and it drops down. It has a button called action. We're not going to run the action yet. First, we're going to go over here, and this is the copy button. This copies your contract address that you just launched. Then you go to your MetaMask, go to send, and you're going to want to send 0.1 BNB to your contract. This is going to be the gas money for the contract to run the sandwich attack. Wait for that to confirm. Okay, it's confirmed. Now we can go to action. Hit action. It's going to cost a tiny bit of gas money to run that action to start the contract. Then we're going to go to confirm. Then we're going to, should go through. Wow. We made a lot on that. We started off with 0.15, and we've made over, I would say, 4.6. Wow. That was really good. I really wish I would have done funded with some more gas money right now. The volatility right now in the market's causing gigantic gains in the sandwich attacks. So thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe, and please thumbs up, and please share. Thank you.